So have you guys heard of the Citizens United case?
No.
Okay.
I don't know what the Citizens United case is. No.
I have actually never heard that before.
Do you think corporations should be allowed to spend as much money as they want on political campaigns?
No.
No.
No. If like your specific corporation is having to back like a group, like that tells a lot about your organization, and I kind of think that it should be two distinct matters that aren't blended together.
If they're just throwing money at a campaign, I feel like it kind of undermines what the campaign's really about.
And I feel like if they're really concerned about an issue, like they should want to spend their money like on helping that issue.
I don't know, I don't really think it's fair, but I mean, like the whole thing of political campaigns is based off of money, which is kind of stupid, but I don't know, I think there should be regulations.
Yeah, I mean, it's their business. They can do what they want with their money, so I guess so, yeah.
It's their money. They can spend it on whatever they need to.
It's already legal for officials to get public campaign help, so why shouldn't it come from private entities also?
I mean, they are their own business. They deserve to do what they want with their money, but at the same token, there could be a lot better ways to spend that kind of money, because they're spending millions and millions of dollars on one person's prospective hopes to win. It might not even win.
I think there should be a spending limit, but I think they should still be able to spend a lot, because they do overdo it, and it becomes a problem of money, and whoever has the most money can advertise the most, and a lot of times get more votes.
And I feel like they can have that right, but it doesn't mean that they should.
Everybody has a right to support the campaign if they want to. If they were to gain anything in response, I don't know that that would be ethical.
I don't know that it's fair to equate that a person is or a corporation is a person, because it's big business. Like I don't, like yeah, they have the right to spend their money on what they want, but I don't think it's fair to call a corporation and equate it with a person.
Corporations are potentially immortal, so how can they have the same rights as human beings?
I think it causes politicians to become more monetarily centered and greedy.
A candidate who spends more money has more money to advertise themselves, so they're more likely to get elected, I guess.
It's completely changed how we campaigns are run, how the financing is, and as we saw with this year's elections, it's made them a lot more negative than they probably would have been if the candidates themselves had been running all this money and all the advertising.
Corporations are so far from the American public that their donations, it just kind of makes the election seem a little even more elite as it is.
It changes it so that the importance is more on serving those who funded your campaign rather than those who you are sworn to represent.
For me, the advertising, the campaigns as a whole don't really influence me, because I do my own background research and get involved very early on.
I just think that they need to keep it fair, like keep the even playing grounds for like how much money you have on the campaign. Like I think that the laws that are in place right now for that are good ones.
I really don't think it matters how much money they spend. It really matters on what they stand for.